How to fix the Messenger custom background on video call not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to create a custom background while video calling, however, it does not seem to work, here are some updates that should help. First of all, head over to Play Store and search for Messenger. Tap on the update button to get the latest version of the Messenger application. This should help to fix the temporary glitches as well as the bugs. Second thing, you have to make sure that certain permissions are granted. To check for it, long press Messenger app and go to app info. Tap on the second option, which is permissions, and then make sure these three permissions are granted, namely camera, microphone, photos and videos. To grant the permission, you just have to tap on it and tap allow only while using the application. Once that is done, you can access the custom background on video call. However, if it still does not work, you might have to uninstall and reinstall Messenger freshly. So this is how you can get it fixed on the video call and check if the custom background feature is working. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.